Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about 5 business skills that will make you rich. So listen up. The first skill is conversation. Your level of conversation will determine your level of income. And the better conversations you have with people, the more likely you'll gain opportunities. Your conversation is a direct result of your success. And whether you're having conversations on text, on phone, an email, personal visits, you have to control that conversation and make sure it goes to where you want it to be. Every conversation you have builds your business, builds your brand, and builds your bank account. So learn to master the art of conversations and you will master your business. The second skill that you absolutely need to know is sales. Sales is the highest paying profession and nothing moves without a sale. You have to understand that sales is something that can help you to get to where you want to be. Selling is the art of persuading other people to do what is best for them. But also selling helps you to get to where you need to be. It helps you to navigate. And every single millionaire knows how to sell. Think about an actress who has to sell her role to the producers and the directors and to other actors that she will work with. Or what about the doctor who has to sell the need for medicine or surgery without causing the family any strife or turmoil in their mind? Or what about the construction leader who has to sell his team on finishing the job correctly and getting it done on time? The more you learn how to sell yourself and other people will determine your level of success in life. The third business skill that you absolutely need is marketing. Marketing is getting your message out there in the most persuasive way. I like to follow the 3 M's of marketing. What is your message? What are you really trying to say to the world? Who is your market? Who are you trying to share this message with? And what is your method for delivering this message to your market? Once you understand your message, your market, and the method for delivering that message to your market, you will learn how to become a master promoter and marketer. Marketing allows you to reach the maximum amount of people. Whether you do it online or offline, you have to be able to share your message in a persuasive way to get people to say, you know what, I want to learn more about this person, I want to learn more about this business, I want to learn more about this brand so I can pay them for the service that they can give me. That's what you want your customers to say to you. The fourth business skill that you absolutely need to know is branding. If marketing is getting your message out there, branding is getting people to see how you're sharing that message with the world. Let me give you a clear example between the difference of marketing and branding. Marketing is saying, look, this successful person has this particular car. You better get yourself this particular car as well. For instance, if we're talking about vehicles, think about the brand of a Toyota versus the brand of a Rolls-Royce. Toyota has to run endless commercials in different states, in different countries, and they have to share their message in all different ways. They have to get athletes and celebrities and all kinds of people to get their message out there because they really want to sell their car and they believe a lot of people should have them. Now, if you consider a Rolls-Royce, you'll see that there's basically no marketing, but a whole lot of branding. You're not going to see all these commercials and all these advertisements marketing to the mass majority of people, but you will see a brand that is substantial enough to get people to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy a Rolls-Royce. I'm sure you know the old saying that it takes 13 hours to build a Toyota, but up to 6 months or more to build a Rolls-Royce. And a Rolls-Royce is built that way because that is how their brand is established. The fifth business skill that you absolutely need is organization. No one can become successful or rich without learning how to organize themselves and keeping themselves in order. Being in order saves you time, money, and a lot of frustrations. It helps you to find things easier. You can organize your documents, you can organize your wallet, you can organize yourself because you understand that order is the first law of prosperity. When you have an organized mind, you have an organized life. There's a lot of people who are disorganized in our society. They lose their socks, their keys, their wallet, they even lose their thoughts. And they can't even remember other people's names, even their kids' names, because their mind is so disorganized. Once you organize your mind, you can organize everything around you. These are the 5 business skills that you absolutely need if you want to become rich. If you like this video, make sure you share it with someone who needs it. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.